Hey guys, Steven here. While actually filming a video for my vlog channel, unexpectedly, I'm also filming a video for the automotive channel. Here's why. One of the F-150's tires is bad and it's like wobbling while I'm driving, and that could be a potential hazard. Sorry, yeah, it's much better. But anyways, that could be a potential hazard. And I've seen a few videos where vehicles have had blowouts, ran off the side of the road, whatnot. And like a week or so ago, I actually watched a video, and it was this truck's dash cam. It was all caught on his dash cam, and next to him was an RV, Class A RV, which is the big one, and it was also towing a vehicle with it. Anyways, one of the tires, I think it was the front passenger side one, it actually blew out and the RV ran off the road while pulling their vehicle behind. And the guy who had the dash cam actually pulled over to help them. Anyways, that's an RV. This is a pickup truck. But I do kind of have fear that I could have a blowout. Plus, I'm actually about to show y'all guys the tread. It's pretty bad. See, that one's actually still pretty good, but it's starting to go bad. I have my license plate. This tire, its tread is still pretty good. Spare's tread is actually really good because I had to. Earlier, there was spare tire on this truck because this tire had actually had a nail in it. That's where we patched it up. This tire, its tread is kind of going bad. And this tire, we think this is the one that's causing problems. Its tread is really bad. So thankfully we at least know what tire it is. I'll try to film it this time since I couldn't when I changed the oil. What I'll basically be doing is first I'll apply the emergency brake, then I'll start to loosen up the lug nuts on this tire, then jack it up, then finish up getting the lug nuts off, take it off, then come to the back, take that spare off, and put it right there, then finish up. So yeah, it should be pretty simple. I've changed many tires before. I've done it multiple times on this F-150. I've also changed a tire on my grandpa's old F-150 that was similar to this, but his was a 2001, mine's a 97. Let's see. When I worked at Dairy Queen, I actually helped a coworker change his tire, basically so he'd know what to do. I've helped change some tires on my dad's race car. Oh yeah, almost forgot. I still have yet to put this fender on. I haven't dealt with it because it's just a pain. It took forever to get off. Still gotta fix the AC, new windshield wipers, gotta come soon. These ones are crap. Yeah, that's not supposed to be like that. So yeah, we're slowly doing stuff. I kinda wanna do something with this Acura, I ain't gonna lie. It still runs. Hopefully we'll sell it someday. But yeah, that's the Acura is not in this video, because the F-150 is. Alright, stand by. I'm gonna go back inside and do a few things. I think we're about to have dinner. And then I'll just get to it in a little bit. I'll also be nice and get Kip and Spock in this video. Here's Kip. And Spock starts walking away right when I record him. Here's Spock. Alright, we're gonna go in now. So, stand by. Alright guys, good morning. It is the next day. Got the tire changed and there's actually a wasp on it. So my dad actually figured out the problem, why my tires were acting up. Let me turn the camera around so I can show y'all. So what I did was I added too much air in these. That was like 44 pounds, this was like 44 pounds. And the little sticker on the door said those need to be 32 pounds, 35 pounds. So the thing was, I just added way too much air. And I also got the spare off. I don't want to show my license plate. And there it is right there. Lift up my dad's thing real quick. Crap, I can't find his air gauge. Oh, here it is. Now I can check all these tires. It was pretty simple. All I had to do was put the emergency brake on, jack up the truck, which my dad did that, and I did some of it, because I mainly filmed like over there. Then it got too dark to film. So anyways, got that tire off, got this tire on. So yeah. I can at least drive this thing without having to deal with any shakiness. What I gotta do next is obviously the windshield wipers and the brakes. I don't really know what else. Alright, another update. Just aired up this tire. Just basically checked all of them. This one was like 31 pounds. So I went ahead and just put an extra pound in it. This one's around 32 pounds. And both these rear ones are at 35. Probably check them like a week later. Then the final thing I'm gonna do is just make sure all these lug nuts are tightened up. I ain't gonna lie, this still has pretty good tread on it. Meanwhile, the others are kind of wearing down. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to get a new tire for this wheel, because I think this tire is just done. Now the battery's charging, so I'll have to wait a little bit. Then I'll actually be done with what all I'm doing. And afterwards I could just get back to filming the video for the vlog channel. Alright, got my drill. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and tighten these back up. I'm not gonna film it because it's obviously really loud. So yeah, just stand by and I'll pick up the video in a minute to finish it up. Alright guys, just finished getting the bolts tightened back up. Got this hubcap back on, and this is actually not even my hubcap. We were mowing at my parents' old house one day and I found it, and since I was like, okay, since this is a Ford hubcap, I'm just gonna take it for my truck. I think it goes for like an Explorer or maybe even a Ranger. I don't know. But anyways, here's the other tire. Kind of see how it's getting bad over here. Also kind of bottoming out on there. Yeah, this tire is no good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it like side somewhere. And yeah, let me just do that and then I can do my outro. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed the video. That's the end of it. Got my tire situation fixed. Even though there's still a few more things I'll need to do to kind of fix the F150. I know it'll need new brakes at some point. Definitely gonna try to fix that air. Also got the fender liner that's needs to go under there. It's on top of the Acura. Also need new windshield wipers, but I could probably do that myself. But anyways, that's the end of the video. Please be sure to subscribe, thumbs up this video, thumbs up any of my videos, get your friends to watch my channel, get them to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.